Hey guys, I've got a sick kiddo today, and I think I'm going to go to the doctor too because I'm sick and coughing. So this is what you're going to be doing today. After you watch some videos, you're going to grab this angle relationship paper and you're going to make a little cool angle relationships foldable, and you're going to use that while you watch videos today to take some notes. The videos don't go with the notes, so don't expect to be able to fill in every single part. I will help you with that when I get back, whenever that is, whether that be tomorrow or Thursday. But all you're going to do is make sure you get scissors, and then you're going to cut around these dark lines. The very, very dark ones. So each little content part is going to have its own page. So right now I'm just kind of cutting around the outside of this. Okay, now that I've got the outside cut out, now I'm going to cut across like the darker lines here around these angle relationship things. And I'll end up with 3 separate pieces. The kind of shaded parts here are the parts where they're going to all come together and get stapled after you're done cutting. So each piece of paper is going to be a different size. And once they're all cut up, they're all going to like set on top of each other. So I've got 3 cut up on this one. And now I'm going to cut up these angle pages on this side. So again, I'm just going to cut all the way around the outside. Today, you're going to watch some videos. Sorry, while I'm cutting, I'll kind of talk to you. You've already watched the Math Antic ones to kind of remind you about the different types of angles and how to name them, because you'll have to do that on your homework, is tell what they are, what type of angles they are, and then name them using the little letters. You can't just name them by the vertex name, because a lot of times there's multiple angles coming together to make that vertex. So make sure that you use the full 3-letter name, and you can go back to Math Antic's video and watch that if you need to, if you're confused as to what to do. And of course, all your notes are in your book under chapter 7, lesson 1. So it's not like a mystery what you have going on today, but I put some extra things. Make sure you work on the practice, because a lot of time, you know that we're going to be writing equations to solve for these types of angles. And so today we're just really talking about types and like vertical angles, but you can solve equations for vertical angles too. And you'll see that when you get in there on the Khan Academy stuff. Don't skip that and go to your homework, because you'll be really sad and you won't know what to do. So I have 6 of these, and they're all different shapes and sizes. So you're going to grab the longest one, the linear pairs, which you probably won't even use, but that's okay. And then you're going to grab the next longest one, the vertical angles, and you're going to line those up at the top. If you do it right, you'll be able to see the name of both of these. And then the next one is adjacent angles. Line that one up at the top. And the next one is supplementary angles. And the next one is complementary angles. And the last one is just your title of angle relationships right here. And here's the trick I have. I turn these upside down, and I take them and I tap them on my desk. I don't know if you can really even see it. I just see more of my awesome bedhead, that's all. Okay, so when I tap them on the desk, even though they're upside down, they're all in the right order, and I can see every single one. If you can't see them, and if you don't have your corners, your right angles lined up well, that's not good. And then you're going to grab a stapler, or you're going to go ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Here, I'll grab a stapler. This is some real high-tech professional stuff this morning, kids. You're so welcome. Okay, so you're going to get your stapler, and you're just going to maybe give it 3 staples. And hopefully there are enough staplers that work in all these classrooms. I know Mr. Hartlene's got a gajillion, so that's not a problem. But in Ms. Ridley's class, I'm not sure. And Mr. Gross's class, hopefully you have like 2 that you're rocking. So this is what you're going to be taking notes on. And guess what? Turn it around and write your name on it right now, like immediately. Because you know how this goes. If you lose it, you lose it. But if you have it, I might let you use it on a couple of different assessments. I might not. We'll see. So as you go, you can kind of just fold these backwards. And you can fold them right now too, just along that like kind of the line up here, if you'd like. Now, complementary and supplementary we're going to talk about tomorrow. So you just fold those back if you want. Today, you're going to talk a little bit about adjacent angles and then vertical angles and not linear pairs. So really just these 2. Okay, see you later.